I saw this question on YouTube, but I have a different method. I would like to show you, and to share with you of doing this way. This one is equal to now. Well, when I see 1 plus something square, well, I'm thinking of a formula of arctangent. Arctangent is 1 over something square. If something is the derivative of cosine, sine x dx is the derivative of cosine, negative, right? So I can do it this way. This is x. This becomes d cosine x, and the negative, I put a negative outside, and then 1 plus cosine square x. See, obviously this is a arctangent, so this becomes negative from 0 to pi, I forget, from 0 to pi, and the derivative of arctangent cosine x. Yeah, good. The way of writing this way, the reason I'm writing this way because I'm prepared for by parts, right? This is my u. This is dv. So this is a negative uv. U times v. V is arctangent cosine x. Okay. Yeah. Arctangent from 0 to pi minus v du. V is arctangent cosine x. Yes. Du is a dx. Okay. So this can be done, which is negative. This pi, right? Cosine pi is -1. Arctangent -1 is negative quarter pi. Okay. And the 0 is 0. So minus becomes plus. From 0 to pi arctangent cosine x dx. All right. Now this is a pi squared over 4. So I just discussed this separately. This is from 0 to pi arctangent cosine x dx. So I'm doing this one, right? Now here I let u be arctangent cosine x. Then du, well, tangent u rather. Tangent u is equal to cosine x. Right. Then I differentiate both sides. There's a secant square u du is equal to negative sine x dx. Yes, well, I'm looking for dx, right? So dx is equal to secant square u du over negative over over negative sine x. Well, negative sine is what? This is secant square u du. Negative sine is a negative 1 minus cosine square x, right? Cosine square is a tangent square. So this becomes secant square. Yeah. Secant square cancel out, becomes a negative, right? Negative secant square u du. Over secant u, right? So this is equal to negative secant u du. So my dx is negative secant u du. So finally I get my integral is this negative, right? Negative this is u times secant u du. All right, good. Now I change the boundary limit. When x equals 0, cosine 0 is a 1. Arctangent 1 is a quarter pi. When cosine x is a pi, this is a negative 1. Arctangent negative 1 is a negative quarter pi. So I'll change this one. Negative exchange the limit, right? So I'll change it from minus quarter pi to quarter pi. So the negative is gone. This is equal to u over cosine, right? U du. Yes. Now here, u is odd function. Okay, the cosine is an even function, so it becomes odd function. So this function is odd function. Well, therefore, the integral is 0. Let me say it again. U is an odd function. Cosine u is an even function, right? Therefore, this function, whole function, is odd function. That means when u is negative, the function value will be negative. So the integral is 0. Therefore, my given integral is equal to pi square over 4. Okay, that is my very answer to this integral. Okay, thank you for your